Hi everyone. I just wanted to take a moment to share a very special thank you to someone who has been instrumental in helping me achieve a major milestone in my life. I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to Mr. Radhakrishna Sir from SNY Cosmos for his exceptional guidance and support during my Latvian study visa process. After facing rejections for my Italian visa with other consultancies, I was honestly feeling quite lost and unsure about what to do next. It felt like a huge setback in my life. But then I approached Radhakrishna sir and the team at SNY Cosmos, and everything changed. From the very first meeting with the sir was incredibly understanding and reassuring. His vast knowledge and attention to detail and step by step guidance gave me the confidence to believe that I could still make my dream of studying abroad a reality. And today, I am so proud and happy to say that with his help, I have successfully secured my Latvian study visa. I'm now ready to take on the new chapter of my life, and it's all thanks to him and his team's dedication and hard work. Radhakrishna sir, I cannot thank you enough for everything you have done for me. You didn't just help me with a visa, you gave me a hope and a new direction. To anyone who's looking for professional and genuine guidance for studying abroad, I wholeheartedly recommend SNY Cosmos. They truly care about their students and will go to extra mile to help you succeed. Thank you so much.